Magandang araw Pilipinas, good day pageant lovers! Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray, nakausap na nga si Miss Universe of Philippines Celeste Cortesi bago pa man ang kompetisyon ng Miss Universe. Si Catriona Gray nga ang isa sa mga pageant commentator ng Miss Universe ngayong taon, kung kaya't excited na siya para sa finals night ng Miss Universe. At ito ang advice na inaibigay ni Catriona kay Celeste. Panoorin natin.
I had a conversation with her before she flew, so we had dinner together.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I'm really excited for her. She is really staying true to herself. She's told me that she's really ensuring that her mental space is really safe and that she's comfortable. You know what I mean? Because the mental space can really be a game.
Can you give her?
A lot naman, but what I really told her was that this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Prepare as much as you can beforehand, because we had this sit-down, I think 2 months before she flew out. So just prepare as much as you can, and when you get there, enjoy the experience, enjoy the time with the girls, because it's a moment that goes by so fast.
Nice. And how are you, Catriona?
I'm good!
I haven't seen you. What have you been busy with?
Oh, I just flew in from Australia to the Philippines for a few hours and then flew here. So I had Christmas and my birthday with my parents. It was really, really wonderful in Australia. So rested and ready to take on the new year.
Okay. Thanks, God.
Muli pakaabangan natin ang Miss Universe Decoronation Night bukas at syempre patuloy nating suportahan si Miss Universe Philippines Celeste Cortesi hanggang sa maiuwi niya ang ikalimang corona para sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng mga ganap.